If you want to earn PayPal money, then you're watching the right video. All you have to do is just pay attention to every second of this video. I need you to stay until the end and take massive action because this method requires some work. What I love about this method is that even though this requires work, I will still give you a free tool that will help us to do this faster than others so that you can start making money online today. Once we have this method established, you will then have a great chance of earning a lot of money and spending it on things you want and need. You can then start traveling or buying a house or improving your own home, whatever you want to do. This is all thanks to the freedom of making money online. I hope this video inspires you to work harder and be hopeful of the future. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so the best way I'm going to teach you this method is to teach you step by step. We always go through step-by-step methods on this channel, so I want you to stay tuned and pay attention so that you won't miss out on important details. The first step is to come over to the socialpilot.co, not socialpilot.com, but .co. Socialpilot is the most cost-effective marketing tool. This is a social media management tool that will help you grow and manage your social media accounts automatically. You might be asking if you need a social media account to do this. The good news is you don't. Would you need to invest money for this? Nope. You can do this even if you don't have money at all, because this method is free. Do you need the social media following for this? Nope, not at all. I will teach you one simple step where you can make money online, make hundreds of dollars online for absolutely free. You can connect as many social media accounts as you can, post all your updates without even worrying about running out of limits. Go beyond the popular social networks to increase engagement and leads with the #1 social media scheduling and publishing tool. More accounts plus more posts equals better value for money. They also have powerful social media analytics and white label PDF reports with one click. Make data-driven decisions to improve engagement and fine-tune your social media strategy. Download and share beautiful and presentable social media reports in PDF format with just one click. People can engage efficiently with Social Inbox, being a trusted social media engagement tool. Reply to all your comments, messages, and posts on multiple Facebook pages in real time with Social Pilot. Filter conversations and focus on the ones that matter, so you don't miss replying to any customers. They can collaborate with the teams and manage clients and discover and publish popular content with curated content, RSS feeds automation, bulk upload. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So they are a full social media account agency. You can build a business around social pilots. You can look for different clients who need their social media accounts to be managed, and you will do that by using a social pilot. This is called drop servicing. But that's not what we're going to do today. It is a bit harder, but it will surely make you a lot of money. We won't be focusing on that business model for this tutorial. We will be doing something else. What I want you to do is scroll to the bottom of this website, and right underneath the company section, I want you to select Affiliate Program. I will be showing you how you can set this affiliate program on autopilot with an additional free platform which is going to get you a lot of referral earnings. You can earn a 30% recurring commission for Social Pilot subscription sales. And if you go to their subscription plans, you can see that you can earn over $1,000 per year because this is $127.05 per month, but this is an annual billing. So if you multiply $127 by 12, that's over $1,000, and you can earn 30% of that. So that means you have over $400 in profit for just a single person you refer to this platform. And this is so worth it because they can get up to 75 social media accounts, and that could be very profitable for them because they will be investing only $127 per month, and they get all these benefits. And those people can have clients which could pay them $1,000 per social media account, and that's a lot of money. So even if you're doing nothing, you can earn passive income, especially if you have a lot of referrals. I will then show you how you can reach hundreds, if not thousands of people who might potentially sign up. One thing I also love about their affiliate program is that you are going to get paid via PayPal. And I know a lot of you guys love PayPal money as much as I do. Alright, now once you land on the Social Pilot affiliate page, just click on this Get Started button right here. All you have to do is fill out your information. Type in your first name, your last name, your email address, and create a password. Finally, agree to the terms of service of the Social Pilot and click Sign Up. If you are done with all that, you will then land on this page right here. This is your dashboard on the Social Pilot. This is where you'll get your affiliate link. And this is where you can start making money online. You don't have to wait to get approved or whatsoever. You just have to copy this link right here and then share it on the internet. So whoever clicks on your link will be directed to socialpilot.co. And if they sign up, you will automatically get 30% of the plan, which they will register on. Here you can track your referrals, clicks, customers, and unpaid earnings. It's going to be 0 for now because we have just created this account for this tutorial. But if you already have customers, then the numbers will increase. So I need you to follow every step of this video so that you get a lot of referrals and you can earn 30% for each referral monthly. All we need to do right now is to drive traffic to your referral link so you can earn hundreds of dollars per person you refer. So this right here is the website which we will be using as a tool to drive traffic to your special referral link. As you can see, the people here are offering social media management as a service. So they charge different rates per person or client. Do charges Lewis $20 and others charged over $100. So these people make a lot of money by being a social media manager. So our target are freelancing websites with freelancers who offer social media management. And you can find a lot of real answers on websites like this. This is quickengigs.com. You can also go to fiverr.com, peopleperhour.com, freelancer.com, truelancer.com, and so much more. You can go to Google and search for freelancing websites. There will be a lot of results for you. So let me be straight. We are not going to become freelancers, okay? But we are going to refer Social Pilot to these freelancers so that we can help them with their job. On the internet, there are a lot of freelancers available online, which means there are a lot of opportunities for you to earn money by referring them. All you have to do is convince them to use Social Pilot so that their job will become easier so that they won't have any problems at all. So what you're going to do if you need to copy the link, your special affiliate link, contact these people. Tell them, hey, this website offers different plans which can help you with your social media management job. As someone who works online too, this is very helpful and this can help you save time. You can say something else. This is just an idea of what you can tell them. Pack it up in a nice looking message and tell them that you can refer them to that platform which is Social Pilot. So again, you can go over to those freelancing websites, search for social media management, find freelancers, and contact them with their given contact information and tell them that you can help them with this website called socialpilot.co. You can also add in that if they have questions about the website, they can just contact you via email. Just provide your email. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.